Hi there, and thank you for joining us for this Sola wood flower tutorial. We have something so fun in store for you today. We are going to make some wood flower magnets. This is a great kit for if you are looking for an easy gift or for something to do with your kids. We are just going to start with a few Sola wood flowers and we are going to dye them. The first color we're going to start with is this beautiful blue color. You're just going to mix your dye with equal parts water and Sola softener. Dip your flower in there. We are using a little toothpick on the end of our flower to keep our hands clean, but you can put on a glove and dip it with your hand as well. You want to make sure that all of your petals are coated. Drip the excess dye off, let your flowers dry, and now you are ready to get going. We're just going to take a little bit of glue, put it on the back of our wood flower, and add a magnet. Just stick that magnet right to the back of the flower. Let that glue dry. And repeat that step for all of the flowers that you're going to be using. We have 3 flowers here, but you could do as many as you want. This would be another great option for gifts for people at your wedding. As a thank you for coming, just a little Sola wood flower magnet, super inexpensive and beautiful, and it will last your guest forever and something to remind them of your big day. And that is how you make your Sola wood flower magnets. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you have a great day. Happy crafting!